Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Keema Nachos. First, brown 1 pound of your preferred ground meat, like lamb or beef, with a blend of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Once browned, drain any excess fat to keep your nachos from becoming greasy. Then, simmer the Keema with diced tomatoes and a touch of water, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully for about 15 minutes. Now, let's assemble our nachos. Start by spreading a single layer of sturdy tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Next, spoon your flavorful Keema mixture evenly over the chips, ensuring every chip gets some delicious topping. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, over the Keema. You can add a second layer of chips, Keema, and cheese for a larger batch. It's time to bake. Place your assembled nachos in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and melted and the chips are slightly crispy. Once out of the oven, garnish your Keema nachos with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, and a dollop of sour cream or guacamole. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect warm, cheesy crunch. You can easily customize your Keema nachos. Consider adding black beans, corn, or even some finely diced bell peppers for extra texture and nutrients. A drizzle of spicy sriracha or a creamy avocado sauce can also elevate the flavors. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These Keema nachos are perfect for game day or a fun family meal, offering a unique twist on a classic favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.